Hey you. Yeah, you. Are you drowning in tasks? Project deadlines looming? Team communication a chaotic mess? You've probably heard of Asana, right? That sleek, powerful project management tool everyone seems to be raving about. But here's the real question, the one that's been buzzing in your head, maybe even keeping you up at night. If you're serious about mastering Asana, about proving your skills, about standing out in a crowded digital landscape, is there an official stamp of approval? Is there a certification for Asana? Pause. Let the question hang in the air. Because let's face it, we live in a world of certifications. We certify our skills in everything from coding to cooking, from yoga to, well, just about anything. It's how we validate our expertise, how we build credibility, how we signal to potential employers or clients that we know our stuff. So, naturally, you're wondering, does Asana offer that same level of validation? You're not alone. Think about it. Asana has become a powerhouse in the project management arena. It's used by millions of people across the globe, from small startups to Fortune 500 companies. It's a tool that can transform the way teams collaborate, streamline workflows, and ultimately, drive results. But mastering Asana isn't just about knowing how to create a task or assign a project. It's about understanding its intricate features, its powerful functionalities, its best practices. It's about leveraging its capabilities to optimize team performance and achieve project success. And that, my friends, is where the question of certification becomes so relevant. Imagine being able to confidently say, I'm a certified Asana expert. That's a powerful statement. It's a statement that speaks volumes about your proficiency, your commitment, and your ability to deliver results. It's a statement that could potentially open doors to new career opportunities, higher salaries, and greater professional recognition. But before we dive into the answer, let's take a quick moment to understand why certifications matter in the first place. In today's competitive job market, employers are looking for candidates who can hit the ground running. They want individuals who possess the specific skills and knowledge required to perform their roles effectively. Certifications provide tangible evidence of these skills, demonstrating that a candidate has met a certain standard of competency. Think of it like this: you're hiring a construction worker. Would you rather hire someone who simply says they're experienced, or someone who holds a professional certification from a recognized institution? The certification provides assurance, it eliminates doubt, and it gives you confidence in their abilities. The same principle applies to project management and Asana. A certification can provide that extra edge, that competitive advantage that sets you apart from the crowd. And in the realm of project management, where efficiency, organization, and collaboration are paramount, proving your expertise in a tool like Asana can be incredibly valuable. Asana, after all, isn't just a simple to-do list. It's a sophisticated platform that offers a wide range of features, including task management, project planning, workflow automation, reporting, and more. Mastering these features requires dedicated effort, a deep understanding of the platform's capabilities, and a commitment to continuous learning. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is there an official Asana certification program? The answer, as of right now, is a bit nuanced. Asana itself doesn't offer a formal, standardized certification program in the traditional sense, like some other software companies do. You won't find a certified Asana professional badge you can add to your LinkedIn profile. However, that doesn't mean there aren't ways to validate your Asana skills and demonstrate your expertise. Asana does provide a wealth of resources for users to learn and master the platform. They offer comprehensive online documentation, video tutorials, webinars, and community forums. These resources can help you develop a deep understanding of Asana's features and best practices. They also have an Asana Academy, which is a great place to begin learning. While it does not give a certification, it does give you a great foundation. Furthermore, Asana offers various training programs and workshops for teams and organizations. These programs are designed to help teams optimize their use of Asana and improve their project management processes. While these programs may not lead to a formal certification, they can provide valuable insights and practical skills that can enhance your Asana proficiency. And let's not forget the power of practical experience. The best way to demonstrate your Asana expertise is to showcase your ability to use the platform effectively in real-world projects. Build a portfolio of projects that highlight your Asana skills, and be prepared to discuss your experience in detail during interviews or client meetings. This hands-on experience can be just as valuable, if not more so, than a formal certification. You can also look into Asana's community forums. These are great places to interact with other Asana users, share your knowledge, and learn from others. Contributing to the community can help you build your reputation as an Asana expert and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning. Additionally, third-party training providers and online learning platforms may offer courses and programs that focus on Asana. While these programs may not be officially endorsed by Asana, they can provide valuable training and insights that can enhance your Asana skills. Always research these programs thoroughly to ensure they are reputable and aligned with your learning goals. So, while there isn't a formal Asana certification program, there are still plenty of ways to validate your skills and demonstrate your expertise. Here's a quick recap. Leverage Asana's official resources. Explore their online documentation, video tutorials, webinars, and community forums. Participate in Asana's training programs and workshops. If your organization offers these programs, take advantage of them. Build a portfolio of projects. Showcase your Asana skills in real-world projects. Engage with the Asana community. Share your knowledge and learn from others. Consider third-party training programs. Research reputable providers that offer Asana-focused courses. Ultimately, the most important thing is to focus on developing your Asana skills and gaining practical experience. Whether you pursue formal training or learn through hands-on projects, the key is to demonstrate your ability to use Asana effectively to achieve project success. And who knows, maybe one day Asana will introduce a formal certification program. Until then, focus on building your skills, showcasing your expertise, and leveraging the resources that are available. In the dynamic world of project management, your ability to adapt, learn, and grow is your greatest asset. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.